I'd say what's fueled our growth over the years is really a combination of our consistency and also our authenticity. We see a lot of opportunities, a lot of deals come across our desks and have been since the 17 years we've been in business. And I'd say that's keeping that down to a selection that we truly believe in and really know will provide that consistent return for our investors.
Early on, we started writing articles and sharing our knowledge about investment strategies that worked for the founders and for the company. We got on platforms such as Bigger Pockets, and I think that really just helped us gain awareness.
We were primarily an NPL shop. Today we do value-add multifamily, we do build-to-rent, we do affordable ground up. So we've got diversification of asset classes, including car wash. It is a quite rigorous process if we're going to place our capital into the marketplace that we look under the hood closely at the operators. Being a billion-dollar company, I didn't see that coming, but I'm very proud of where we came from, our humble beginnings to today.
I think what's most fueled our growth over the years is staying true to what our expertise is, and over time, organically expanding into new asset classes. What makes us different, gives us an edge, is truly our core expertise in acquisition of mortgage loans.
From our team, how we interact with investors, how we interact with our stakeholders and sponsors, it's a very collaborative, close-knit group that's very engaged across all levels. And I think that manifests itself into our investors. We are very client obsessive. And that's something that I see in PPR, and I see the culture kind of manifest itself in that everything we do, we put the client first.
Prosperity means to me is that it's financial security, but also the ability to just breathe, because you don't want to find yourself wondering when to retire, following the ups and downs of the stock market. Is the ability that people trust us, our investors trust us, and that when they give us the investment, they know that we're placing it wisely and that they can go to sleep at night knowing that that return is consistent, stable, and will be around for a long time.
There have been many occasions when, in speaking with investors, maybe at a fireside chat, that I see a light bulb go off in their eyes, right? They get it. Our platform offers investors access to real estate assets that they can't get on their own. And it's in those moments that I think reaffirmed or reassured of the why we do the work we do.
We want to offer opportunities to investors as well as knowledge and content that help them incorporate alternative investments into their strategies so they can take more control in their investment process.
What excites me most about where PPR is headed next is the vision that Steve Meyer has brought to PPR, the team that he has assembled, the strategy that's been crafted, and the execution that's taken place. It's been second to none.
What excites me the most is seeing what a talented group of people can do when we all row together. We've hired some great folks at PPR, and each day I come into work, I'm able to see that talent in action.
Our job is not just to provide returns and risk-adjusted returns for our investors today. It's to provide them for the next 10, 20 years. Sustainability. We really want to lean into becoming more of the voice of the alternatives for the retail investor. Retail access to alternatives and real estate, make no mistake, is a key part of an alternative investing. It's not a normal stock and bond. You have to add diversity to that. And I see us starting to add that diversity, not just in the talent we have, in our investor base and the products we offer, but also how we're looking about the future.